Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Abstrakt Assassin from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing the front part of his cap with a curved line across at that corner, semicircular turn at the side right there, and a curved line across at this lower point back to the left corner right there. Above the shape on the right side here, I'm gonna draw a line upwards, semicircular turn to the left, across, turn it back downwards with a semicircular turn at that corner. Inside of that space, I'm gonna draw the symbol with a diagonal line downwards at this corner, sideways at this upper point, diagonal turn up, sideways to the right, diagonal turn downwards, sideways to the left, diagonal turn to the right and down, across to the right, diagonal turn downwards, diagonal turn to the right, sharp turn back up, across to the left, and diagonal turn downwards to that point below. Now below the head, I'm going to take this point off center and draw the inner line of his eye downwards, diagonal line outwards on both the upper line and the lower line, and a line downwards at this outer corner of the eye. Mirror the same shape for the right eye right there, and below the eye in the middle point, I'm going to draw across an arc shape, and from the sides, diagonal line downwards and out, and copy the same shape again below that, and below that in the middle point, I'm going to draw a curved line across, a line downwards on both sides, turn it back inwards at this lower point, and a curved line across below that. In the center of that shape, I'm going to draw a circular shape at that corner right there, and at the side of that whole thing, I'm going to draw a diagonal line at this upper point, semicircular turn at that corner, turn it downwards, semicircular turn back to the left, and semicircular turn at this inner corner upwards, semicircular turn back to that point. I'm gonna copy that same shape at this top corner, and inside of that space right there, I'm gonna copy another similar shape right there, and another one right there, and I'm gonna fill that middle one with black color, and I'm gonna mirror the whole thing on the left side as well. Now for his hoodie, at the side of that, I'm gonna draw on the left a curved line upwards to the side of his cap above, and continue that across at the top point right there, and mirror the same shape on the right side right there. Surrounding the hoodie, I'm gonna draw a similar line again at this outer corner, and extend it downwards on the right side right there. Now for the color of his jacket, I'm gonna take this point in the middle and draw a curved line upwards, semicircular turn outwards at this upper corner, and turn it downwards at the left point right there, and turn it downwards diagonally from that corner. Along the upper edges at this inner corner, I'm gonna trace the same line and at this corner on the right. And below that color, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at this outer corner, extend it inwards, diagonal turn down, in the middle point right there, and at that corner, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape for the buckle of that strap. And another similar rectangular shape at this inner corner. I'm gonna copy the same curved line at this lower point for the strap and sharp turn back to that point above. Below the buckle in the middle, I'm gonna draw a line downwards at this corner, sideways to the right, upwards, sideways to the right, downwards, sideways to the right, and upwards. For the collar on the right side, I'm gonna take this point at the side of the hoodie and draw a curved line out, turn it diagonally down, and turn it back inwards diagonally right there. And I'm gonna copy the same line again at this inner corner. Below that, I'm gonna draw a line downwards at that corner, and at the side of that on the left, I'm gonna draw another line downwards and a similar line again at this inner corner, turn it upwards towards the mask. On the right collar, I'm going to draw a circular shape at that corner and a black dot in the middle point. Copy that same set of shape at this upper point, and on the left side of that, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line across. Now below the strap on the left side, I'm going to draw a semicircle line downwards, and below that, I'm going to draw another semicircle line right there, turn it downwards at this inner corner, and a diagonal curved line downwards from that point right there. Now for his finger at that corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, semicircle turn downwards to the left, and semicircle turn back up at the tip to that upper point. Copy that same shape again at this lower point for the other fingers, and below that on the right side, I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the right and another curved line on the right side of that. Turn it downwards at that corner, semicircle turn at this lower point to the left, and another curved line on the left side of that all the way to his elbow, semicircle turn back up diagonally to the outer line of the arms at the shoulder, and semicircle turn upwards to that point. Now for the hand on the right, I'm gonna take this point at his knuckle and draw a diagonal curved line to the arms. At the sleeve of this arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the right, semicircle turn downwards with a curved line, semicircle turn back inwards to the left side. Along the sleeve, I'm gonna draw some curved line across like that, and coming out from the sleeve on the right side, a curved line across, turn it diagonally down to that point. And below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and at this lower point below the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, turn it upwards, and another curved line across, semicircle turn upwards at the elbow point, and turn it all the way up, and another semicircle line at that corner, and turn it inwards at this upper point. At the side of that, a curved line across, turn it downwards all the way to the hand. At this lower point of the strap, I'm going to continue the line diagonally downwards, and for the upper line of the strap as well. Below the hand, at the middle point, I'm going to draw a line downwards right there, turn it sideways to the left, and turn it back upwards. Above that, I'm gonna draw across a curved line all the way to the middle point right there on the right. Now on the left point here, I'm gonna turn it upwards, turn it slightly in, another curved line, out and back in, and I'm gonna repeat the same shape again all the way to the side of his arm. Now in the middle point of the jacket, I'm gonna draw a few lines downwards at that point right there, and another one. And on the left side of that, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape for the pocket of that jacket right there. And inside of that, at this upper point, I'm gonna draw a line across. From the side of the jacket on the left, I'm gonna draw a line across at that corner. Continue that at this middle point, and for this corner as well, and right there. Along the base of the jacket, I'm gonna draw some lines downwards. And I'm gonna copy the shape of the lower half of the jacket on the right side as well. And at this corner in the middle, I'm gonna draw the zipper with a rectangular shape, and I'm gonna copy the same shape of the lower half of the jacket on the right side right there. Curved line across at this middle point. Now for his pants, I'm gonna take this point below the jacket on the left and draw a curved line downwards, flare it slightly out at the ankle point and turn it back inwards. Turn it back out below the knee point and turn it back inwards, and at that corner I'm gonna draw some wavy line downwards all the way to the base of his pants, and in the middle point of the pants I'm gonna draw across a curved line at that corner. Off center, I'm gonna draw the inner line of the left leg with a curved line downwards, and I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the pants on the right side right here. Now on his knee pad, I'm gonna draw a V shape right there, and upside down V shape at this upper point. And inside of that, I'm gonna trace the outer line right there. Now for his shoe, I'm gonna draw a curved line up from the left side right there, semicircle turn across to the right and turn it downwards. A diagonal curved line downwards and flare it out at this lower point for both the left and right, and semicircle turn on both sides. Curved line across at the middle point, and slightly above the base I'm going to draw another curved line across, and above that another curved line right there, and at this upper point a curved line across right there, and slightly below that halfway I'm going to draw a similar curved line across, and from the middle point here I'm going to draw a line downwards diagonally. For the pocket at the side of his pants on the thigh, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line up, turn it upwards, copy that same shape again at this upper point, and a few more similar shape right there. In the middle point, I'm gonna draw a line downwards and two more line downwards on the right side. Now for the right side of the pants, I'm gonna copy the same shape right there, and for the shoe, a curved line up at this corner, curved line across, and turn it back downwards. Diagonal curved line all the way to the front tip of the shoe, semicircle turn downwards at the front tip, and at the back I'm gonna draw a curved line across, curved line downwards from the back, and turn it slightly in and back out at the heels right there, curved line across from the back all the way to the front tip of the shoe. Slightly above that, I'm gonna draw another line across, turn it downwards in the middle point, and back up at the back right there diagonally. And from the front tip of the shoe at this upper point, a curved line across, semicircle turn downwards at the side. And from this upper point in front of the shoe, I'm going to draw a curved line across, turn it downwards at the side. Copy the same shape again at this front point right there. That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.